Mr. Could you please tell us about what the significance of this meeting between Timor-Leste and South Korea?
This visit to South Korea is really very important because it reflects the bilateral cooperation of our two countries, and precisely my presence here is to meet with the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Korea to strengthen the ties of cooperation and to discuss on all options, priorities for development and cooperation in areas of important benefits, such as labor, mobility, education, our cooperation with the Minister of Foreign Affairs, training for public servants, for our future students. These are very important issues that we cooperate and we discuss with the Foreign Minister. And also we extend the views to other areas of cooperation in terms of economic discussions, on which we will engage more in various discussion.
South Korea has become an important destination for Timorese seasonal workers. How successful has this labor cooperation been so far?
Since 2012, we have more than 1,054 workers, but now it increased up to more than 5,000 workers working in South Korea in different areas, in different industries. So they are benefiting from it, again, in their salaries. It also increases in skills, knowledge, expertise that they can contribute towards their programs, initiatives back in the country.
Is the government seeking to expand labor mobility agreements with South Korea?
Of course, this cooperation continues, and up to now we have this number that already reported, more than 5,000 workers. The government keep this intensive cooperation program with South Korea, and we want to see this is a model of success, that the cooperation Z to Z, government to government. So this is really one of the very, very good examples. And I think this body in discussion with Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister also stressed the importance that the government of Korea aware about the human rights protections to labor. So even the current president, someone who really very much giving special attention to the situation of workers.
There are an estimated 1,300 to 1,500 Timorese workers staying and working illegally in South Korea. What can the government do to re-engage these workers?
This is a situation that requires collective efforts from our government, also from our embassy here in Seoul. So we incorporate with the government of Korea in terms of the regulation to find alternatives or solutions, options that can bring them back to the normalcy at the stage of their work. And I think from the ministry, our Secretary of State for Vocational Training and Employment in Timor-Leste should have more discussions at the level of the government and the Korean authorities to see whether we can sort out the situation.
South Korea has provided scholarships and training opportunities for Timorese students. How important are these programs in building Timor-Leste's future workforce?
Yes, South Korea is very much well known in the education level, and I think is very much worldwide recognized after the Finland in terms of the quality of education. So the scholarship provided from the government of South Korea to our young Timorese are very important, aiming at supporting their knowledge, technical expertise and skills so that they can improve to be better employers. They can be our laborers of quality to build the economy of our country.
How is the government ensuring that the students who study in South Korea can return and contribute their skills to Timor-Leste's development?
You know, our country is a country in continuous building, the state building processes, and we really need our potential national human resources capable to work to contribute towards the development. So people of training in South Korea are very important assets for the country. So we really expect that upon their schools, after the graduation, when they return home, they can be used channel to the government institutions or international agencies where are areas whereby they can also contribute their potential, their knowledge and expertise to assist in the development of the country.
Thank you very much for talking to us in our channel. What is Minister?
Thank you.